Valentine's Day, a day when the world over celebrates love. Love is an all-consuming emotion, the strongest and the most enduring bond between a man and his woman.
The answer to why we love can be traced to the evolutionary theory and neurochemistry. When people are in love, the brain releases chemicals such as dopamine and oxytocin, stimulating the brain's pleasure center. Haven't we all experienced this? दिन की चैन और रात की नींद दोनों ही चली जाती है.
Saint Valentine was a priest in Rome in the 3rd century BC. The emperor in Rome decreed that his soldiers remain unmarried, to be strong and unencumbered during war. Saint Valentine, much against his emperor's wishes, decided to secretly get soldiers married to their lovers. When discovered, the king sentenced the saint to prison.
While in prison, he cured the jailer's daughter of her blindness. And guess what? They fell in love. For disobedience, Saint Valentine is sentenced to death on 14th February. Just before his execution, he wrote a letter to his beloved, signed, "From your Valentine." This phrase lives on to this day. To celebrate his great spirit and sacrifice, we celebrate this day as Valentine's Day.
Perhaps no other land glorifies the idea of love more than India. This is evident from the amazing variety of mythical love stories that abounds our literature and leaves us spellbound. We even have a god of love, Kamdev.
The love story of Radha and Krishna is certainly one of the most enduring and immortal of all. Radha's love for Krishna is akin to a soul's longing to be ultimately submerged in the divine self. And Krishna, by reciprocating equally, conveyed how the lover should yield to the beloved's devotion.
Another stellar example of love and selflessness is the lore of Savitri and Satyavan. Savitri's husband dies soon after marriage. When Lord Yam comes to claim Satyavan's soul, Savitri engages him in a lengthy debate. So moved was he by her arguments that Lord Yam grants rebirth to Satyavan. A wife could snatch her husband back from death.
Indian history, too, is strewn with many love stories, which are legends in their own right. Like the tragic story of Soni and Mahiwal. Soni used to cross a river to meet her lover, Mahiwal, much against the wishes of her near and dear ones. One day she drowns, and in an attempt to save her, Mahiwal also drowns. Those who couldn't have been together on earth were joined together in the heavens.
And that of Prithviraj and Samyukta. Prithviraj, the dashing brave Rajput king, falls in love with Samyukta, daughter of his rival. When being married off to somebody else, Prithviraj intervenes and elopes with Samyukta to live happily ever after. Well, the list is endless.
The profession of arms demands that we remain focused 24/7, 365 days a year, and unfettered by tension and strain. A happy marriage is a key enabler of the same, and love, the primordial driving force. Undoubtedly, our spouses are the pillars of our strength, the reason behind our success, the force behind the forces.
So, ladies and gentlemen, let us celebrate this glorious day of love and reinforce the vows we took at our weddings. Happy Valentine's Day and many more years of love, joy, happiness and togetherness.